With Iconik, you can manage reviews, feedback, versioning and approvals all in one place, keeping discussions tied directly to your media. That means no more switching between tools or losing context. All collaboration happens right here where your content lives. This is what a user sees when they open an asset in Iconik's media player. Here we can see that this asset is awaiting approval. Let's explore our options. There are several ways to discuss and mark up media in Iconik. To start with, for playback, we can use the J and L keys to fast forward or rewind at different speeds. Alternatively, you can change the playback speed using the controls at the bottom left of the UI. You can also step through your video with frame-by-frame accuracy by tapping the left and right arrow keys. Let's take a look at commenting. In the comments panel, you can add time-stamped comments tied to specific moments in your media. Let's @tag our editor so they're aware their attention is required. They'll receive a notification linked directly to this comment. You can also color code comments, which is helpful when multiple people are involved in the review, so it's clear who said what. Comments can also cover specific sections of video. You can use the I and O keys to set in and out points. Now we can add a comment that's specific to this particular segment of the video. We can also make annotations directly on our media and post them as time-based metadata. You can see at the bottom here that pips have appeared, denoting where comments appear on the timeline. Now, let's say someone isn't quite satisfied with this asset and they reject it, leaving a note explaining why. Now, for this example, we've already made a new version reacting to Marina's request, so let's upload it as a new version using Iconik's versioning feature. Each new version you upload creates a version stack within Iconik, providing a clear record of asset changes. We can also compare versions using side-by-side, wipe, or overlay modes to see how the asset has evolved. If Marina is happy with this version, she can mark it as approved. This is just one example of Iconik's review and approval workflows. There are many ways to collaborate and discuss assets with Iconik. It's important to note that with Iconik, anyone can join in to review. Iconik allows unlimited collaborators, even those without an Iconik license can jump in, so as many people as you need can review, comment, and approve without you having to worry about added fees. Ultimately, Iconik's review workflows are all about connecting you and your media with the right people and ensuring they're happy with the result.